Welcome to Imagine Design. In this video I am going to show you how to make YouTube or any thumbnails using Photoshop. Let's get started. First you need to open Photoshop and create 1920 x 1080 web project. Also you can type these values here. Or you can go this web tab, select project size, and click create. There are three main parts in the thumbnail. Number 1 background image, number 2 objects, number 3 topic and fonts. If you have not good fonts on your computer, go to Google, type search DA font. You can download free fonts from this site. I like sans serif fonts. This font is good. Import your images. I have this background image with coding in it. Also I have this hacker image. My topic is top 5 hackers. Make sure to use suitable images to your topic. Alright guys, I have all three main parts. Now I am going to make my thumbnail. Now go to this hacker image, press Ctrl+J to make a copy, and select the image. Click on Properties tab. If this tab not in here, go to Windows, select it. Now scroll down and click on Remove Background. Now turn off main image, use this I button. Now removes unwanted part using eraser tool. Like this. Now go to the imported background image. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Now drag and drop this image to your project. Now press Ctrl+T to transform the image like this. Alright, now go to the hacker image, drag and drop that image to the project. Now press Ctrl+T to transform this image. I am like the results. After that, select this image layer and click on this FX button and select Outer Glow. Let's change to default settings. After that, change blend mode to normal. Opacity to 100. You can change color from here. I am increasing size a little bit. Now reduce range to 1. Oh, that is too much. Let's reduce size again. Alright, I am happy with results. Let's go to the next step. Now go and select the type tool. Type your topic like this. You can change fonts by using this character button. Now type your topic. After that, press Ctrl+T to adjust size and rotate words. Now select the word layer and click on this FX button again. Now apply outer glow and modify settings like this. Alright, I am happy with results. To apply this outer glow to other text layers, press and hold Alt and drag and drop effect to other text layers like this. Now select the word layer and click on this FX button again. Now select this gradient overlay and select any gradient you want. I am like this gradient. Now go to background image. Now click on this fill layer button and select gradient map. This will create gradient map above background image. Now select any gradient. I am like this gradient. Now select this mask button and click on the brush tool. Make sure your foreground color is black. Now paint like this. Alright, I am happy with results. Our thumbnail is complete. Now I am going to show you how to export the thumbnail from the project. As a first step, go to the file. Now select export and select export as. Now click on export and rename the thumbnail and save. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share with your friends. See you again. Bye.